Let the recording start and we'll start. Hello everyone. A very good evening to one and all present here. Welcome back to another personality developing class where we will help you to learn your skills. So basically today we will cover about resume. See, we have learned about interview, how to take an interview and the points related to interview. Okay? We have learned about debate, we have learned about extempore, we have learned new words, and we have learned how to read a newspaper and different things. Now it's time to make a good resume. People always say a resume, but the correct spelling is resume, or or you can say resume or resume. ठीक है, but don't say resume. वो मैंने गलत बोल दिया था. It's resume या resume. Okay, so I'm telling you some points. Hold a pencil and your paper or something to write, and write these points when you prepare a good resume. See, first point is be precise. First point. First write the points and then I'll explain you. Okay? I'm writing on the chat box also. The first point here. First point is be precise. Everyone has written, please acknowledge the message. Just tell me, have you written or not? Should I repeat again? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second word is avoid spelling or grammar's errors. Avoid spelling or grammar errors. Written everyone? See,
Yes, ma'am.
don't write on the chat box because there I'm writing the words. Okay, it will lead to misconception. Okay. Then third word is watch. Avoid. Third word na हाँ. Third word है. Third word is avoid the first person pronouns.
What, ma'am?
लिखा है मैंने यहाँ पर. Don't write to yes ma'am on the chat box please. It can lead to misunderstanding for other people. Please don't write. I'm writing I'm using it as a blackboard. Please don't write.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then fourth word है send your resume as always in PDF form.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth है label your resume file correctly. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fifth is that. Then sixth, format in a logical structure. That I'll explain you what. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Seventh is make sure make sure it it's easy to read.
Yes, ma'am.
Eighth है keep it organized and visually appealing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ninth,
Hmm.
these all are the words. These all are the statements which is being written by my sister, and I'm copying it that. So I think it will be helpful for you also because she is very, you know, keep it consistent.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Include content, not diagrams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
फिर name and to like you have never done before. Don't include हाँ, very important guys. This is very important. Never include references. Never include reference.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that's very bad. Uh, hmm, yeah. Don't list everything you have ever achieved.
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
all, only specific. ठीक है. 13 है. हाँ. Think about what makes your resume resume different.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 14 है. Hmm, एक मिनट. Hmm, हाँ. 2 more points we need. Wait. Yes, very important point. Watch your tenses. You know what are tenses, na? So
Yes, ma'am.
always watch those tenses. Is, are, am, these words.
Mm-hmm.
Then last point is name drop like always mention your main introduction like introduction like your name, hmm, your school marks, hmm, then your achievements, hmm, your projects you have done till yet, and your past experience. That's it.
Ma'am, even contact details are also important, right?
Right. I'm writing. Wait.
Yes.
Past experience and contact details. Very true. Contact details include your phone number and email ID. Very
Email
important
address. Yes, ma'am.
because they will, if they found your resume attractive, so they will send you an email now for offer letter.
Mm-hmm.
So, an email address. Okay. So now I'll explain these all words in brief. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And afterwards tomorrow you'll make your resume. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
But before moving to these things, let me introduce to my resume. Let me show my resume. Okay, how it is. Wait. अरे यार. Let me share screen. Share screen. Start sharing. Start now. This is my gallery. 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 And where's my resume? Yeah. So see guys, this is my resume. See. एक मिनट हाँ. This is my name, my photo, my contact number, then my skills, achievements. ठीक है. Then my objective, why I'm here, my experience, my education, and my projects. एंड ये तो बहुत पुराना रिज्यूमे है. अभी नया में तो बहुत कुछ ऐड हो गया है. ये तो मैंने अभी चेंज करा ही नहीं है क्योंकि मुझे सीडी का भी ऐड करना था, बट अभी मैंने कुछ ऐड नहीं करा है. मेरा दिस माई विजिटिंग कार्ड. ठीक है. तो समझ में आ गया. दिस इज हाउ यू प्रिपेयर योर रेज्यूमे लाइक दिस. यू कैन मेक इट लाइक अ लिटिल अट्रैक्टिव विद दीज कलर्स, राइट. मैंने अपने मेन हेडिंग्स को ऑरेंज से डिप्लीकेट करा है. देन सारी हेडिंग को ब्लैक से रखा है, बिल्कुल जो विजिबल होता है ना. देन नंबर, देन मेरा ईमेल एड्रेस, देन मैं कहाँ से बिलोंग करती हूँ, मुझे क्या क्या अवार्ड्स मिले हैं, ये सब मेरा विनिंग है, ये सब. तो यही सब है. ठीक है. लेट मी स्टॉप शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन. ओके. नाउ आई क्लियर यू ऑल द वर्ड्स व्हाटएवर. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वर्ड है या फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है हमारा, फर्स्ट जो होता है वो है बी प्रिसाइज. प्रिसाइज मीन्स बी वेरी सटल एंड बी वेरी, मतलब वर्ड से वर्ड तक ही लिखना है. यू हैव टू राइट व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड फॉर इन द resume. Unnecessary stories, unnecessary lines, unnecessary buttering will not work there. So be very subtle, be very very simple in your writing. And very precise means कम से कम तक हो सकता है
Brief.
इतना तक, not very brief, right? ठीक है. Then second is avoid spelling or grammar errors. Very important. See here, your resume plays a very important role in your impression. So if your spelling mistakes will be there in the resume, then definitely that will be rejected. So it's better you should always avoid spelling mistakes and grammar mistakes. ठीक है? Okay. Then third is avoid the first person pronouns. Anyone can explain what is it? What it is? Anyone? Anyone? Bhai, sub in pronoun nouns. Everyone have learned about this, right? So anyone? Acha, tell me what are pronouns.
Ma'am, pronouns are like when we use in a sentence, like one time we use noun, so another time we don't use the same thing. Like we use pronouns for that, like he, she, it, or they.
Ha, very good. These are pronouns. So that's what he that
Ma'am,
what
we can
actually.
also say that no, generally pronouns is nothing but using it in the place of noun is
हाँ यही
pronouns.
गुड गुड. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन. अब मैम आपकी बात,
Ma'am,
दीक्षा मैम, यू आल्सो
pronoun
करेक्ट.
is a word instead of a noun.
हाँ right. All are correct. So basically means that if I'm making a resume, I'll not start with I'll start with Satakshi. Okay, don't use I, me, is, am, ing and all those stuff. Always use your name. ठीक है, never use I, me, myself. Don't use these words in resume. Always use your own names or use your words, your nouns in place of pronouns. Okay. Then send your resume as always in PDF form. You will never send your resume in simple like document form. Always you will show your resume to people in PDF form. Okay. Never in PPT form, never in simple form, always in PDF form. Okay. Label your resume file.
Why, ma'am?
Yes.
Why?
It's because it leaves a good impression, na? When if you'll show in PPT, like people don't have time to watch your whole resume, right? But when you will show in PDF form, then definitely scrolling will be easy and it will be more visible your work. But
Uh,
if you show in
ma'am,
PPT, then हाँ.
मैम पीडीएफ बनाने का ये रीजन होता है कि एक्चुअली पीडीएफ कैन बी रेड ऑन लाइक फोन. इट कैन बी एक्सेस्ड ऑन
Hmm.
फोन इजीली. सो
And in yeah,
whoever.
in PDF also we can make changes, but not in PPT, right?
मैम पीडीएफ में चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते हैं, पीपीटी में और या फिर वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में दे कैन मेक चेंजेस. सो
अच्छा
इट्स
okay.
बेटर टू सेंड पीडीएफ.
Okay, ठीक है.
And while
That means
sending in Word, like whatever the alignments you have meant, it will be changed. But in PDF, whatever it is
not
fixed.
change. Yeah. It says that you're not allowed to change it. Say make changes, right. Okay. Next is label your resume file correctly. That means whatever form, like in PDF form you're sharing the resume, the file should be labeled properly. Satakshi Bisht resume. Not like XXPPG, JPG, PPG. No. Your name, your resume, so that it can be visible that yes, it is a candidate and it's their resume. Okay. Then format is in a logical structure. The structure should always be logical. Unnecessary talks, unnecessary conversation, unsynchronization, non-structure will not be acceptable in organization. It should always have a logical structure. Like first objective, then your yourself, then your schooling, then your marks, then your achievement, and then projects. So it should be a good structure. Don't please start with achievement first, then second objective, then no. Always should first objective, then your self, then your marks, your schooling, then your achievements, and in between your projects and experience, and then last your achievements. Okay, and thank you. Then keep it organized and visually appealing. That I told you, organize hona chahiye. And visually appealing matlab colors ke through, the way you create it. Don't use black colors and white. No, it looks very subtle. Always use attractive colors like orange, black. You can use Light pink also is visible. Blue color is very well. It looks good. Blue color, royal blue color looks very well. You can also use yellow color for writing headings. So this much. But don't never use never use light colors for writing headings. Always use dark colors for writing headings, like your objective and all those stuff. And the background should always be settled. Very simple. Keep it consistent. That means consistent means anyone can tell me meaning. Very easy meaning.
No change.
Yeah,
Same for long term.
good.
It should be
Continuous.
same. Yes,
Continuous and same.
continuous.
Yeah, very good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Okay. Then include content, not diagrams. I just request you never use bar diagrams, bar graphs, pictograms, and all those stuff, and PixArt and all those stuff in the resume. Always write content, not diagrams. Okay. Then never include reference. For example, if I have referred you to the company, never write my name. Never. Never disclose who am I and how I got you. Okay? You should never write the name of the person or the name of the company who refer you or organization who refer you. Never. Don't list everything you have ever achieved, not all, only specific. That means, yes, I know I've did skating, drawing, painting, dancing, singing, drama, play, skate, volleyball, football, basketball. No, 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 all not stuff. Only those which have a value to it, a word to it. Only those add in the resume, not everything. I also know that you are a versatile person, but doesn't mean that you will all fulfill your resume in these things only. Okay? Think about what makes your resume different. Like I know there are around 1,000 people who are applying for the same job. So in that case, you have to think something unique. What I can add just to attract the mind of the manager, HR manager. Okay, so be unique in that case. Start thinking as a competitor's mind of point of view, not your point of view. Yeah, from your mind. Think as a creative mind. Okay. Watch your tenses. Watch your tenses means that ed कहाँ लगेगा, ing कहाँ लगेगा, simple tense, where to add simple tense, where to add past tense, where to add future tense, and all those stuff. You have to be very clear in resume. Don't use like I had. No, I am doing some work. I had doing some work कुछ नहीं होता. I am doing some work होता है. तो very clear with the tenses. And then last, always mention your main things in the resume, like your name, your contact ID, your email ID, your past experiences, your school, your marks, that is most important, your achievements, your projects, your internship, any internship if you have done that. So these are the things. Okay. So have you all
Ma'am,
cleared? Yeah.
ma'am, even we should include hobbies also, right?
Yeah, that comes in achievement,
Yeah.
right? You can like I know hobbies is a
Like,
different, achievement is different, but I always add
yes.
achievements like my hobbies and achievement.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can differentiate it
Yeah,
between, but
because we were told, it is compulsory to mention your hobbies
hobbies
there.
very well. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, separately. Yes.
Yeah. So now this is clear, everyone. Write the points in the paper and I'll ask you for tomorrow class, okay? If anyone has
Yes,
issue,
ma'am.
please ask. Come on. I'm giving you 10 minutes. Just think and ask.
Ma'am, what about objective part?
Objective, I'll show you now. I have shown you. Wait a sec. Again, I'll show you. This is the objective. Screenshot ले लो इसका. Got that, ma'am?
Actually, I'm talking about like in objective we use I, and you said that I or had these types of
Mm-hmm.
words we can't use. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why I asked that.
No. In
What about
objective,
objective?
we have to start with I. You cannot use start with Satakshi, have to work. Objective is defining you, ma'am. So there you can also use I and we. You have to sorry. There you cannot use noun. You have to use pronoun there, ma'am, because it's starting of the resume.
Okay.
Yeah. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Who asked this question, by the way?
Me, ma'am.
Sheetal, ma'am. Okay, okay. So are you clear with these things or something else to tell you? Please tell me fast. Anyone? Because tomorrow you have to make a resume in front of me in the Google Meet only. So पूछ लो अभी जो भी queries हो, बाद में मैं कल मैं कुछ मेरे मुझ से कुछ आप लोग के लिए, if I scold you, then that's not my problem, because I'm asking you if you have any queries, solve it today, because in tomorrow class you will prepare resume in front of me on the Google Meet. So ask me today. We have time today. We have 2 hours, so you can ask me your queries. But
From where we have to take that format and the different types of format are there.
you have to prepare by yourself. I've given you points. Use these points and prepare the resume.
Okay.
These 13, 15 points you have to use in preparing your resume. So it's up to you. If you have any queries, you can ask it right now, or else I'll move further with some communication topic.
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
मैम मैं तो पहले से ही एक मेरे रिज्यूम में खुद बनाई हूँ जिसमें ये सब मैंने ऐड किया है खुद से।
नहीं,
तो
जो
क्या
बना
मैं आप
नहीं, वो तो आपने जो बनाया है वो तो आपने यूज कर सकते हैं अपने वर्क प्लेस में, मगर ये मेरा टेस्ट रेज्यूमे है। कल टेस्ट है ना, तो कल टेस्ट रेज्यूमे है, उसका
ओके
टेस्ट है कल।
ओके
वो
मैम
सिर्फ एक प्रैक्टिस
ओके
के
मैम
लिए है आपके ना, इसलिए। क्योंकि मैं ही सिखा इसलिए रही हूँ
हाँ
क्योंकि अभी क्या है, रेज्यूमे के थ्रू बहुत सारे लोग पैसे भी कमा सकते हैं, लर्न करके अर्न कर सकते हैं। तो अगर आप सीख गए बनाने एक बार रेज्यूमे, तो यू कैन अर्न अ लॉट
हाँ
ऑफ
हाँ
मनी फ्रॉम इट। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम मेकिंग यू लर्न दिस।
ओके मैम
तो आज बैठ के रात में यू कैन वॉच यूट्यूब चैनल्स एंड कैन लर्न। ओके।
ओके मैम
Ma'am,
यस मैम।
ma'am, should we include a photo in
Yeah,
resume
yeah,
or
yeah.
not?
You have to include a photo. Like nowadays, people are adding photos to make it creative, and that's why I added a photo of mine. A very,
Like
very decent
in
photo,
some
formal look.
like in some places, like it's not required. Like when I applied into market research industry, so one of my colleague like he said that don't include photos, just make a simple resume and send it.
But tomorrow you will include the photo in my class,
Okay, ma'am.
and the photo should be formal.
Yes, ma'am.
One day will be like tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You will have your Canvas class. Shadama will take that class, Canva, how to make Canva, how to use Canva app, and then one class will be your LinkedIn class. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Yes, ma'am. पूछिए. Nicole, ma'am, please पूछिए.
Hi, ma'am. I have a doubt. So, is it necessary to add the languages in our resume?
What else you will add?
Like, is it necessary? Like I have added languages that I have studied. So, I have added it to my resume, my
Share
current
screen.
resume.
Share
So, is it
screen,
okay?
please. Share
Okay, ma'am.
screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Visible. Okay.
Ma'am, so this is my resume.
Okay.
So, I have added language in the end. Is it okay, ma'am?
Okay, okay. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Ma'am, also the certificate course which I have done, is it okay to mention?
Look. Nicole, ma'am. After certificate course, add language, then volunteer.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay,
That
ma'am.
because language plays a very important role, right? The company want to know which language you are familiar with. English, Malayalam, French, A1 level. Good.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Nicole, ma'am. One class you will give of German on Monday.
No, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
नहीं मैम की yes ma'am. You have to give one class ma'am. Monday ko
Ma'am,
you have.
ma'am, it's French, not German.
Okay. So you will give one class on Monday to people. Some
Um,
words, 10 words only.
yeah, sure, ma'am. Yeah, I'm ready.
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's okay. Just add language in second and then your that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So guys, on tomorrow you will have a test of resume making, and the people who will not join the class, don't give me lame excuses and any other excuses I'll not accept, because this is your first test and I'll not prepone it at any cost or postpone it at any cost. Prepone तो नहीं हो पाएगा, postpone ही होगा, वो मैं नहीं करने वाली। तो अभी जो डाउट है पूछ लो, बिकॉज 2 घंटे क्लास है, So you have so much time to ask your query. Then only I'll move further. Until unless your queries will not solve, I'll not move further. तो बेटर है क्वेरीज पूछ लो. कल गलत करोगे तो डांट जरूर सुनोगे, ये वाली बात पूरी श्योरिटी है मुझे. तो रेडी रहो फिर, क्योंकि पॉइंट्स आपके सामने हैं. इसको देखकर prepare resume, and also you can also use YouTube channel. You can take help in the night. Just sit down, watch the video, and make a good resume. Because tomorrow in the Google Meet only, in the live Google Meet, one by one the people will come. Not everyone will come together in tomorrow's meeting. One by one slot at one time. Like first Diksha ma'am, I'll like according to roll number wise. Be prepared, guys. Tomorrow no excuses for sure. And after tomorrow you will have a class of Canva by Shraddha ma'am for sure. And then one class for LinkedIn, how to make a LinkedIn profile, and then one class for Nicole ma'am on Monday, Germany, right? French. Okay.
So,
Ma'am, we
we
should
have to
prepare.
prepare and
Mm,
okay, go ahead, Padmaja ma'am.
yeah, ma'am, we should prepare our resume live or
Yeah. Tomorrow,
अच्छा.
every people will not join together. Only one by one, like a test. Internal test होता था ना कॉलेज पे, like that. वहाँ पर सिर्फ मैं, श्रद्धा मैम, सिद्धि मैम होंगे और एक बच्चा एक टाइम पे वो टेस्ट देगा.
अच्छा, ओके मैम, ओके.
क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, बाकी बच्चों को मैं देख नहीं पाती हूँ. 9 के 9 बच्चे भी होंगे तभी मैं सब पे ध्यान नहीं दे पाती हूँ. मगर कल क्या है, सब पे एक एक ध्यान रहेगा. और कितना क्या तुम लोगों ने सीखा है मुझे जानना है, क्योंकि आई वांट टू नो दैट. टाइम लिमिट इट विल जस्ट 20 minutes फॉर पर पर्सन, बिकॉज रेज्यूमे ही है, कोई बड़ी चीज नहीं है. 10-20 minutes में निपट जाता है. प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ बेटर. ओके.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
It's okay. Tomorrow everyone will join the class. Everyone means everyone, because if tomorrow you will not join the class, definitely you will terminate it. कोई भी हो जाए, I don't care. Because test बहुत important role play करता है. It's a time when you learn whatever you have learned before. It's time to now start a glimpse. Oh God, Prabhat sir. Prabhat sir. Are you there or not in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Okay, so be prepared for test. Okay, tomorrow test.
Okay, ma'am.
All the best. Pankaj sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Be prepared, sir, for tomorrow's test. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Jyoti May Mishra ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Be prepared, beta, for tomorrow's test.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Sana ma'am. Sana ma'am. Sana ma'am. Sanobar ma'am. Diksha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Be prepared for tomorrow's test, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Shikha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Be prepared. Sheetal ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Be prepared.
Okay, ma'am.
I just, ma'am, so we need to prepare resume from the sketch in the meeting. Right. You have to start. You have to be prepared with everything, your requirements. Even if you can, you just have, what you have to do is that you will share a screen of MS Word, okay? And in the chat only, like in the meeting only, you would prepare it. In the screen sharing only, I will see. Okay, so yeah, so all be prepared with the MS Word or MS, not MS Excel. That is used for presentation. No, that is used for
Table sheet.
Accounts or tables,
yeah.
tabular
Sheet preparation,
information.
right? Like rows and columns, right? No.
Yes, ma'am.
You will use MS Word. Okay? So in the meeting only, I'll ask you to share your screen, and then you will start with your work one by one. Because tomorrow we have 2 hours, right? So in 2 hours we can easily can capture 10 to 20 people, 10 to 12 people easily. And no queries tomorrow. I'll not take any queries of yours. Is that okay? I use Canva for making. Okay, ma'am. चलेगा, Canva भी चलेगा, थोड़ा सह लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं. And guys,
ma'am, actually there are a few models for resume writing online, so can we download it and fill that?
For what?
for resume. So they give different formats, right? So we can download it and we can we fill that
Yeah,
live?
anything which I can see live, anything
Yes,
anything
yes, yes,
चलेगा,
yes, ma'am. Mm-hmm.
कुछ भी चलेगा मगर लाइव होना
Yes, ma'am.
चाहिए आपका,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
ठीक है,
Mm-hmm.
ये टास्क करने का मेरा यही एक मोटिव था कि आप लोग रेज्यूमे बनाना सीखो एंड देन दूसरों के रेज्यूमे बनाओ पैसे लेकर। तो यहाँ पर आप लर्न बाय अर्न सीख रहे हो, एक एक थ्योरी। खुद बनाओगे सीख जाओगे, दूसरों को बनाकर यू कैन अर्न 100 to 200 रुपीज इजीली पर डे। मैं खुद करती हूँ ये वाला काम, तो मुझे आइडिया है। वन एट अ टाइम आई हैव अर्न अराउंड 10,000 rupees by preparing resumes. That was my part-time job when I was doing my schooling. So if I can, then you also can, and that's why I added in my portal, because I really want that you should also earn by your own. Start earning money. Okay, so I think you don't have any issues, and tomorrow I'll not solve any issues for sure है। मैं चुप रहूंगी, कल मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी। तो आज अगर इसको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बहुत अच्छी बात है। कल भी हुई तो कल मैं बतानी पड़ूंगी, फिर टेस्ट फेल हो जाएगा। It's up to you. ठीक है, now we'll start with topic called communication. Excuse me. So communication is a topic which we're starting today. Communication means a path or a way through which our messages and our inner thoughts are being shared with people. When we communicate through ears, mouth, and eyes, and even the hands, communication plays a very vital role in day-to-day life. Imagine a life when you are not communicating with anyone. You just isolate yourself from people. How will you feel? Bad, lonely, depressed, and anxiety, and more problems will arrive in your life. One-way communication, communication is divided into two parts: one-way and two-way. One-way communication is a communication when I am just speaking and you are listening, or you are speaking and I am listening. That is one-way communication. एक communicate जो करता है person, एक time पे एक person communicate, उसको बोलते हैं one-way communication. Okay? And two-way communication is when I or Padmaja ma'am are in a debate, और I and Padmaja ma'am are in a conversation. That is two-way communication. जहाँ से वो भी बोल रही है, मैं सुन रही हूँ, मैं बोल रही हूँ, वो सुन रही है, या फिर वो भी सुन रही है, मैं बोल रही हूँ, और मैं भी सुन रही हूँ, वो बोल रही है. So whenever we used to talk to people, we always have two-way communication. Never have we have one-way communication. And thoughts are expressed very better way if we are communicating in two-way, not one way. ठीक है? So, but in extempo it is one way. Debate we have two way. Article writing it's one way.
And
Storytelling,
public speaking
is one. Public
one
speaking
way.
is two way. Not no. Public speaking is two way.
Okay, we give a chance to
Yeah.
them for asking
To share their
questions.
thoughts. Yeah.
To share their thoughts. Yes.
Public speaking includes drama, skit, play. नुक्कड़ नाटक, नुक्कड़ नाटक, नुक्कड़ नुक्कड़ नाटक एंड नुक्कड़ नाटक, नुक्कड़ नाटक होता है. स्ट्रीट प्ले जिसे बोलते हैं, स्ट्रीट प्ले. And
Yes, ma'am.
one way is debate, extempore, article, storytelling, poem, recitation. These are one way communication. Okay? Yeah, Diksha ma'am.
Ma'am, like two-way communication should be always interactive. Like नुक्कड़
It's very
नाटक हो
tricky.
गया या जो भी है.
यही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, नुक्कड़ नाटक स्ट्रीट प्ले जो होता है, स्ट्रीट ड्रामा, स्ट्रीट प्ले, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. ठीक है? तो कम्युनिकेशन दो तरीके होते हैं, वन वे, टू वे. ठीक है? कंपनी में कभी भी वन वे कम्युनिकेशन चलता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि कंपनी में दे ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट पीपल हु ऑलवेज इनिशिएट and who always have a power of team leadership, or who are quite interactive and who are quite attentive. वन वे कम्युनिकेशन पता है कब होता है? जब मैं कुछ बोल रही हूँ एज ए लीडर और आप लोग सुन ना रहे हो, मेरा सीन मैसेज करके सीन करके छोड़ दे, दैट इज वन वे. बट टू वे तब होगा जब पद्मजा मैम, दीक्षा मैम, शीतल मैम, ज्योति मैम, प्रभात सर, ये सब मुझसे कम्युनिकेट करें, तो टू वे होगा. तो उसमें क्या होगा? फन भी रहेगा और क्लास बोरिंग भी नहीं होता है. ठीक है? गॉट दैट? अच्छा, ये तो हो गया इन कम्युनिकेशन. अब होती है दो तरह की कम्युनिकेशन, दैट इज वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. ठीक है? वेट अ सेकंड. वर्बल को हम बोलते हैं व्हेन द कम्युनिकेशन इज डन बाय वर्ड्स, दैट मींस बाय आवर माउथ. That means that is done by some words which we used to speak through our mouth, is a verbal communication. And non-verbal is that we don't use mouth, we use hands to write those words. That is non-verbal. So in an organization, we always use both the communication, verbal as well as non-verbal. For writing documents, we use non-verbal, and for leading any group, or if you want to communicate to people for any actions or any decision, it is verbal. Okay. So in non-verbal communication, it plays 5 roles. First, repetition. Second, contradiction. Third, substitution. Fourth, assenting. Let me write the words. These are some difficult words. Let me express those. Non-verbal communication play 5 roles. First is repetition. Second है contradiction. अरे यार. थर्ड है substitution. Substitution. And fourth है complementing. And last, fifth है assenting. Okay, so I'm sending this. Write this in your copies. Now the homework for today is you have to write one line on each and send me today by 10 p.m. about बहुत easy मतलब है सबका. I can explain now, but I want you to do this. Repetition मतलब समझ में आता है. Contradiction very easy. Substitution is complimenting, किसी को compliment करना, and assenting means decrease. Okay, so these 5 words you will write until 10 p.m. I want everyone to submit this task. One line and one meaning of the same. Okay, is I'm clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone's mean everyone. Repetition.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Contradiction, substitution, complimenting, assenting. इनका मतलब क्या होता है गूगल करो और मीनिंग निकाल के इसका यूज करो इन वर्ड्स का, इन योर लैंग्वेज, इन योर सेंटेंस. I want it today by 10 p.m. I don't know. I'm telling you again, guys. ठीक है. Now let's move to another topic, that is types of non-verbal communication. Non-verbal means the one in which you use hands or words, not our mouth. ठीक है. Personal appearance, body movement and posture, gestures, facial expressions, eye contact, touch, space, personal territory, intimate space, personal space, social space and public space. तो समझ में आ रहा है मतलब कुछ तो हिंट मिल गया होगा शायद किसी को. कुछ ये नहीं मिला हिंट. Anyone have got certain hints? Yeah. Non-verbal communication is that in which people don't judge you on the basis of your words, but they judge you on the basis of your personal appearance. Like if you are wearing a good dress, a good costume, people will say, okay, she's from a good background, she's holding this much things, she's from a good family. Okay, that is personal appearance. Matlab how you have personally appeared among people, how you always carry yourself among people. Okay. Then body movement and posture. If I'm in a cabin, in my own cabin, office cabin, I'm sitting like very low in structure or low in fatigue and expression. So will the employees feel happy with me? No, they will feel inactiveness. So my body movement and posture always active and energetic. That I told you in that debate class, right? How you have to perform, how you have to make the postures.
Ma'am, Communication through body movements is also called as kinesics.
Kinesics.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, which I learned in MBA first semester.
Okay, so write that word in the chat box. Kinesics. People will
Yes, 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 yes.
people will get. Okay. So body movement and posture should always be correct and erect. ठीक है? It should never be feel and low. कभी भी ऐसे नहीं चाहिए तुम बिल्कुल मुरझा के बैठ गए हो. Always be active. People will be active around you. ठीक है? Then gestures. You all know the meaning of gestures. When I always talk to people, my eyes are always straight. My lips are always straight. My face is always straight. I never, I never used to flip my body back, show you my back, and I like used to eat food in between. Never. That's my gesture towards work. Nowadays, I'm having green tea. I know that that's bad, but still, in the office, you should never carry food when you are in a meeting. That's a gesture. You should always carry documents, pen, pencil, and all this pen and other stuff, but never carry your food in any video conferences or social conferences. Okay. So how you are uh, uh, attending people is a gesture. In a smile or bad face, angry face, no. Always smile. Okay. Then eye contact. That I don't have to explain you. You should always keep your eyes straight and you know parallel towards the surface. Never feel when you're talking to someone, don't put your eyes down and then talk. No, never, 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 never. Always keep your eyes straight and then talk to people and welcome them with a good gesture. Okay? Then touch. Touch means here in communication. Touch means you are, how your touch pretend to people. Like a touch should always be positive. Like for example, when we are all in a team, we always go hand in hand. So that touch is equal to team spirit. Okay? But if this touch is invalid, you have all the right to speak in the company that I'm not good with this employee and the touch is not, I'm not liking it. That's against my yes, Padmaja ma'am.
Ma'am, it is called as haptics. The other name for, communication via
Right.
touch.
Touch. HAPTICS, right?
Haptics.
Haptics.
Yes, ma'am.
Haptics. Space means pronamics.
Yes, ma'am.
I know. Space is pronamics. So can you explain this word,
Not
Padmaja ma'am, in words?
proximics. It's proxy. I'll just
PROXEMICS.
Yes.
Okay, so Padmaja ma'am, explain these words: touch space, personal territory, intimate space, personal space, social space, and
Yes.
public space. Explain these words.
Haptics. It means communication through touch. As you told, there are types of touches. If you're touching like in a friendly way, that's different, and in a professional world, the touch is different. And if some person is touching us in another way, so that is totally unprofessional. So types of touches, and that is called as haptics.
Space.
And okay, so actually, I'm sorry, I don't remember. I think it's chronemics. I think space.
Space
The
is
name for
based.
space is no. The communication via space is called as chronemics, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. It's called chronemics. CHRONEMICS. So
what it
it
is
means
basically?
communicating from a long distance. Like for example, like as you told example, like eye contact, something, or maintaining space between people. So this is what they thought. So that is called as chronemics.
Okay.
And
Personal territory.
there is one more communication. It is called as paralanguage, which means the pitch of your tone, like how you speak. Like you're saying hello everyone, that is another communication. If you're like very soft, hello everyone. So the way you communicate through the pitch of your voice is called as paralanguage.
Okay. Then personal territory.
I think I don't know, but I can guess like what it means. So I think a person maintains his personal territory where he stands and he just communicates from there, or he maintains some personal. So that is what I understood from
So
that word.
yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, next word is intimate space. Intimate space is the space between two person. ठीक है? That means
Yes,
a
yes.
boy, a girl, a boy, girl, or a girl. So that space, the space they share together is called intimate space. Intimate space include love, care, affection. ठीक है? A feeling of bond.
Yes.
That is called intimate space.
Yeah, they also thought us that it can be between employees.
Yeah.
It
That's
it
what
may
in the
be
company.
against opposite sex also, but
Yeah.
it should be professional when it comes
Professional.
to that
Right.
corporate world. So
Right.
yeah.
Then we have personal space. Personal space is basically when one person is all alone and is better for himself or herself. That means there is no other boy, no other girl, no other person, no mentor, no leader. Only he and his own, I can say problems, or I can say his own targets which he want to achieve personally, not with everyone. Okay? That means he's totally isolated from the society. That is, he always asks a personal space. Please give me space. Let me think what I have to do. Please go away. So you should never have hold a person's space in life. Okay? Then we have social
Ma'am,
space.
there's also one more communication mode. It's called artifacts.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the last one which I learned. As far as I remember, it means communicating through objects. Artifact means object, right? So communicating through objects is called as artifact communication.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Then the third word is social space. Social space is when people are communicating with more than 2% or more than 5%. So the space you know, they welcome or the space they enjoy, that is called social space. Social means people around you. Okay? So that is very good for everyone. Their communication is double, not 2-way, 3-way, it's 5 or 7 ways communication. Okay? Then last is, yeah. Then last is public space. Public space is when there is a people more than 10 or 20 there when you share a communication or a space of fun. That is called public space. Okay, so everything is clear. Personal appearance, body movement and posture, gestures, facial expressions, eye contact, touch, space, personal, intimate space, personal space, social space, public space. Everyone is clear, guys? Is the words
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I can do,
Yes,
like
ma'am.
it's 49. So guys, take 15 minutes break. You can leave this meeting and again we will meet at 6:05. Okay, have water, have tea. We'll take a small break here and we'll again join at 6:10 or 6:15 because I know it can lead to boringness also, which I am facing right now. So better you don't feel bored. We'll again join at 6:15. Okay. Siddhi ma'am, please stop recording, ma'am.